I had to wait for the red light. I'm going to change things up. I'm going to do birthdays, and then we're going to come and talk about Roscoe Mumbauer, because he's today's four-state hero. But before we get there, I want to wish Declan Hahn a big second birthday. Mr. Declan, he resides in Fort Scott. Big Chiefs fan right there. Countdown to kickoff, my buddy.
All right, Carter Edwards celebrating birthday number 6 this year. Carter is in Girard. Hope you have a great day.
In the O Show, we've got a 6th birthday too for Caden Adams. Pretty sharp dressed dude right there. Happy birthday, Caden.
All right. And we've got Cambry Daniels, turning 9 years old, chilling at the pool. Be a good day to do that. Cambry is in Mound Valley, turning 9 years old this year.
Into the double digits, we have Lucas Anderstein. Lucas, you gonna win a picture contest today, my man. Now we know Lucas didn't take that picture. I mean, I guess mom or dad took the picture. But Lucas, that is great, and a happy 10th birthday to you.
I love his facial reaction in there. That's awesome.
that's awesome.
Hey, do you know it was Brad Stroud's birthday?
Oh, what up, Brad?
Brad is 41 in Frontenac.
Hey, I tell you what, people forget. No, I hope people don't forget. That dude can pitch. Brad, don't think that is lost on me. I still remember the days covering you, man. That dude was a darned good pitcher at Pittsburgh State. Darned good.
All right.
Hey, speaking of people that are near and dear to my heart.
Miss Tasha McCoy.
That girl right there, that's right. Tasha McCoy is celebrating her 43rd birthday. I'd like to say that every now and then when you have the fortunate, the good fortune to run into people that are like Tasha, that epitomize human dignity. Tasha, a very happy birthday to you in Pittsburgh.
All right. Mark Dreisbach celebrating birthday number 63 this year. Nice picture there of Mark in Cherryvale.
Over the weekend, Cheryl Price celebrated a birthday, and we are going to keep it going through this week. Cheryl, a very happy birthday. She's in Baxter Springs.
In Chanute, Danny Emerson celebrating another year wiser. Looks like he's a Razorback fan. Danny, happy birthday.
Fred and Maxine Rakestraw, they're celebrating their 13th anniversary. Congratulations to Fred and Maxine as they celebrate in Joplin. What a gorgeous picture right there. That's awesome.
How about a 30th anniversary out in Galesburg? This one's for the Robinsons. Little throwback wedding picture there. Love it. Fred and Don Robinson. 30
Look at the
years.
candles. That's tremendous. And Henry and Shirley Bell, look at this. They're celebrating their 63rd anniversary in Chautauqua. Congratulations, Henry and Shirley. That is amazing.
All right, our birthday list goes on. We've got Danny O'Hara in Crestline, happy birthday to you. Carlene Smith in Cherryvale, and Heather Tedlock turning 31.
Well, I tell you what, I'm going to come back and I'm going to celebrate Roscoe Mumbauer as part of our 4-State Heroes. But first, I want to turn it over to Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
And now I'd like to take this